Room 4133. Lockable door. 12 square meters. Similar to a master bedroom. Newly painted. Tiled. There's a normal built-in cupboard. With a private basin just for this room. Above the basin there is overhead cupboards, above the cupboard as well. Full-length mirror. Curtains included. Retractable wash line. For drying of clothes. Electricity included. Wi-Fi included. Water included. This room can be separated with a division, half division, to accommodate 2 people sharing. In the middle of the room, a division can be erected, and then it will easily fit 2 single beds, 2 desks, 2 chairs. We can even put in another closet if it's sharing. This room is the size of a standard master bedroom, so easily fit a double bed. You can put in a chest of drawers, you can put in a small fridge, nice and new. Everything clean.